I bought a Dyson. I went on, bought myself a Dyson Airwrap in long barrels because guess what? I have medium to long hair. I'm planning to elongate my hair more, so this just sounded reasonable. Without blubbering, I'm gonna get into the video and show you. But I have to tell you, my first impression, this is gonna be a first impression, trial and error, God knows what. My impression is this looks amazing. Like the box, the packaging, it's from another world. And this comes with the round brush, which I'm gonna do my fringe with. This brush, if you have coarse hair, want a sleek look. This brush, which Malibu compares to the Revlon 2-step, 1-step dryer. Thick barrel, which is the long one, and a thin barrel, which I'm gonna be using today. And the air dryer. The Dyson itself, I've been watching a lot of tutorials about it just to get a hang of it. It feels like great quality. This is magnetic and just feels like good quality. I washed my hair minutes ago. I keep it in this thing to dry it a bit more. I'm gonna take my hair out. I'm gonna apply heat protectant. I'm using L'Oreal Elnet, and I'm gonna spray it to my ends like that. And then I'm gonna spray it. This is my Mason Pearson travel size brush, which is pretty damaged, but I'm gonna use it. I sprayed on it some heat protectant to spread it on the top parts of my hair. Now I have like fine hair, but a lot of it, not thick strands. I'm gonna be testing this. So people say this plays it, and this makes the air cold. And the high is too high, I think, for me, for my liking. And there are this and this. I'll probably do the middle one. And then when I do, the full shot is actually cool. So here, this is how it looks. Please find my hair pretty fast. So that's when you use the Airwrap. You don't need dryers. This definitely gives way gentler on my hair than any regular dryer I've ever tried. I think it's the positive thing. I think this dried my hair to 80% or 80% pretty fast. My hair does not feel dry, which is new to me. Whenever I used to use heat, it would definitely feel drier after using the heat. So the dryer is pretty legit, you guys. It's really good. I'm gonna brush through my hair. My hair feels super soft. I was hoping that this would transform somehow how I take care of my hair in general. So here are the two barrels. I want the bottom part of my hair to be curled inwards, the part that will lay on my chest, and the top part, the crown, to lay outward. I'm gonna play it. And close. And then release. Wow! This, you guys, it looks super bouncy. Okay, so the tip I heard most people say is that don't play with it. I'm not gonna stop so that my hair does not go dry, because my hair feels a little bit more dry than usual, but I think I'm losing my mind. I curled both sides. If you see this side is more tighter curls, and I think the reason why, get the hang of the tool, and I also looked into the mirror while doing it. I think looking in the mirror really helps you, because you see in the mirror the direction of the arrow, which helps you put the hair in the right position, which I was struggling a bit doing this side. But even the dummy side, like the side I wasn't very focused when I was doing things on or with, looks pretty good. I sprayed the fixing spray because that was one of the tips people gave online. I'm trying to follow all the tips I've seen blindly, and let's see how that goes, but so far so good. Styling the fringe part, here is the round brush. I've never actually used a round brush before. No, I did. You know what? I used the Revlon one and I returned it because it was too hot for my hair and it made my hair feel that it is burned out. So let's do this. Whoa. Okay, let's set this up. My hair feels very healthy. I'm gonna use the same setting spray and I'm gonna do this. Let me like comb through with my hands. Oh wow, you look like those influencers. Wow, this is worth every penny, you guys. My hair is so bouncy. You see that? My hair, it feels very bouncy, feels very healthy. I don't know about how long this will hold, but even if it doesn't, I think I love it. This machine is a miracle, worth every penny. And I think using the long barrel, I now get why people were saying the other one is a bit tricky, because it's really hard to go around the other one, I feel, because my hair spread here nicer. So definitely the long barrel is good if you are a beginner or a newbie to Dyson. I'm not going back to anything. I'm actually thinking about selling my straight iron and my curling wand, because I'll always have my hair like this, very voluminous, very healthy, feels alive and kicking. I love it. I don't know how it's gonna hold, we'll see. But let me know, you guys, what do you think? Comment down below what you think. If you have a Dyson Airwrap, if you're planning to buy one, I would love to know. And subscribe for my channel for more content and for more reviews. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a happy life, boos. And I hope you can see my transformation. I've been transforming for years now. And you saw me when I started this channel to now, and I think that's such an inspiration that you also can transform, and I hope I help you in that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.